In this video, we are given 2 points in polar coordinates. That means r comma theta, and we're being asked to find the distance between them. So let's read the little story. The locations given in polar coordinates for 2 planes approaching an airport are 4 miles 12 degrees and 3 miles 73 degrees. Find the distance between the 2 planes. So let's draw a picture starting with the position of the plane that is 4 miles away at a 12-degree angle. Okay, so alright, let's say that this is 4 miles and 12 degrees. Let's go ahead and label that. So I'm just going to put a 4 right here to remind me that this is a length of 4. But I also need to squeeze in here the 12 degrees. So I'm going to mark that in green. So this is 12 degrees. Okay, so keep that straight. The length is 4, the angle is 12 degrees. Now let's do the same thing with the other plane. The distance is 3 miles, but the angle is 73 degrees. So the angle is going to be up out here much closer to 90. So I'm going to put it about like that. And I'll put a big old 3 right here to remind us that this has a distance of 3 miles. Okay, but I'm also going to mark the angle, which is like this. So this purple angle is 73 degrees. So here is the most important thing right now. We need to know how big the angle between these two is going to be. Right? How big will this blue angle be? Well, obviously, if the larger angle is 73 and the smaller one is 12, the blue angle will just be the distance between them. So 73 minus 12 is 61. So the angle between is 61 degrees. We are supposed to find the distance between these two, and that distance would be this blue distance right here. So let's go ahead and call that x. So this is the situation. This is a side angle side situation. So we are going to use the law of cosines. And we've learned that we always start with the side across from the angle. And the law of cosines says x squared will equal 3 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 3 times 4 cosine of 61 degrees. So to find x, all we have to do is take the square root of both sides. So I'm going to just really put this entire expression in my calculator. So I'm going to do the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 3 times 4 cosine 61. And that's giving me 3.65. Or I guess I would round up and say 3.66. So as you can see, the answer is D. Ta-da!